Yo, what's up guys? Got some awesome news. Now you can upload to the .com market and a good percentage of your listings should be live now. So yes. So welcome back to my channel. My name is RJ Martinez. I've sold over $100,000 when it comes to merch by Amazon. If you guys are unaware, you can now upload to the US market now. Really awesome. So excited for that. I knew it was coming out this month. I took a little guess and I was like, you know what? The next update that they're gonna put on the dashboard is gonna be you can upload to the US, the .com market now. So that's cool because last month what they did was they enabled us to upload to the UK and the DE. Now all the products seem to be I think I'm at 87%, 90% of my products are live on Merch by Amazon. I'll put a little boop right there. And that's really awesome, okay? I'm just excited just to see the improvement and see how they're doing everything, and they're keeping us up to date. If you're OG like myself, okay, when it comes to Merch by Amazon, you know that sometimes they wouldn't even notify us, right? But in the very beginning, they wouldn't notify us when a new update will come out or something like that. But now they're they seem like they're just reaching out to us more, okay? And that's really awesome. For us content creators and for us people that are making designs and all that stuff and products and listing on Merch by Amazon or making whatever you want to call it, all right? It's really cool to so that they're keeping us updated. But no, one of the things too as well, I made a post too in the Facebook group. If you guys are unaware of that Facebook group, the link is going to be down below in the description. It's for free, okay? I made a post in there, and my buddy AJ, he commented that he had around 30 rejections or something like that because there was a little glitch too in the system when it comes to, how when it goes through the under review and the processing, then live on Merch by Amazon. So there was a little glitch, right? And the single keyword, right? So you have a single keyword, Amazon will track it and they think it's a certain, like a trademark or something like that you're trying to upload, and then reject it. So it seems like that little bug is back, right? So you have to be very careful. I want to bring that to you guys, to your attention. So you guys want to be very careful when you're uploading. You may want to give it like a week or two before you upload, or just upload one design. Let's say if you have 10 designs going into one niche, you want to upload one design, one listing to see if it's okay, and then you upload the rest of them. Because the reason being, you don't want to upload 20 or 30 designs, right? And all of a sudden you have that one keyword in there and it's going to reject all of them. So I just wanted to make this video for you guys to understand that, okay? Don't let that happen to yourself and you get all scared like, oh my God, I think my account's going to get banned. So you want to be very careful. Upload one design at a time and make sure your keywords are good. And like I said, they're catching those single keywords. You can just have your listing clean and clear, but just that one little keyword, it's a little bug, like I said, it will catch it and reject it. So you have to be very careful. I just want to bring that to your guys' attention because I want to help you guys and making sure you guys are good. And I'm excited, and then the next thing too as well, okay? The next update, I'm going to take a guess right now. The next update is going to be the shipping times. I know some of the shipping times are crazy, right? But they're doing that on the actual platform itself, but it seems like they're getting the shirts there faster than usual. Okay, so if it's saying, some of the shirts are saying like August 7th, August 6th, people are ordering the shirts, but they're getting them there pretty fast, right? They're getting within 2 weeks or 1 week or whatever it is, but they're on the listing, it says, okay, the shirt's not gonna be delivered until August 6th, and it's July 1st right now. So that right there, the next update, I'm assuming it's gonna be the shipping times are back to normal. Hopefully, right? So yeah, if you guys got any value out of this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. Any questions, comment down below. Peace out. And check out my other videos over here.